Everyone aims to stay in shape and maintain a youthful appearance for as long as possible. We all understand that proper nutrition and staying physically active are great habits, but were you aware that you should also exercise your facial muscles just like you train your body? If not, they gradually lose their firmness as you grow older. So, let's get started with 7 of the most effective exercises to help reduce a double chin and maintain a good posture. First, just like with any workout, you need to warm up your facial muscles. Move your lower jaw forward and backward, then side to side. Perform all movements slowly and gently without any sudden motions. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. Now, let's move on to the first exercise. The first exercise is called the scoop. Open your mouth and roll your bottom lip over your lower teeth. Imagine you are trying to scoop water using your lower jaw. Lower your head in a scooping motion, then close your mouth while raising your head back up. While performing this exercise, ensure that the corners of your lips remain completely relaxed. Repeat this 5 to 7 times. Easy enough, right? Next comes the second exercise called nose touching. A double chin is often linked to weak hyoid muscles, so strengthening them is important. Stick your tongue out as far as you can and try to touch your nose with the tip of your tongue. Keep your lips relaxed and repeat this movement 5 times. If you want to lift your cheeks, try the third exercise. Turn your head to the left and push your lower jaw forward, tightening your neck muscles. You should feel a stretch along the left side of your neck. Then turn your head to the right and repeat the same movement. Do this 5 times on each side. The fourth exercise is called Kiss the Giraffe. Imagine you are trying to kiss a giraffe. Yes, even giraffes deserve affection. Or just picture yourself kissing someone much taller than you. Lift your face upward and look toward the ceiling. Slightly push your lower jaw forward and pucker your lips as if you're about to give a kiss. If done correctly, you'll feel strong tension in your neck. Hold this position for 5 to 8 seconds, then relax. Repeat 5 times. For the fifth exercise, known as resistance, make 2 fists and place them under your chin. Start moving your lower jaw downward while applying gentle pressure with your fists, creating resistance. Gradually increase the pressure, and once you reach maximum resistance, hold it for 3 seconds. Then relax and repeat this exercise 5 to 7 times. The sixth exercise is puffy cheeks, which is both fun and effective. Take a deep breath through your mouth and fill it with air. Close your mouth and puff out your cheeks. Then press your palms gently against your cheeks to create tension in the muscles. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then exhale and relax. Repeat this 5 to 6 times. Finally, here's the seventh and my personal favorite exercise, the smile. Clench your teeth with your mouth closed and stretch the corners of your lips as wide as you can. Then press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth, gradually increasing the pressure. If you feel strong tension in your chin muscles, you're doing it correctly. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax for 3 seconds. Repeat this 5 to 8 times. By the way, this last exercise is also great for boosting your mood when you're feeling low.
8 highly effective exercises to help slim down your face. Time passes unbelievably fast, and sadly, none of us is getting any younger. Our face is one of the first places where age begins to reveal itself. The earliest visible signs of aging usually include wrinkles, sagging skin, and loss of firmness. The elasticity and contour of your face largely depend on how well-toned your facial muscles are. Just like the muscles in the rest of your body, your facial muscles also require regular exercise to stay firm and strong. But which specific exercises can truly help you manage this concern? Don't worry, we have got you covered, and in this video we present some of the most effective facial exercises that, according to experts, can help maintain a toned, youthful appearance. Would you like to see a refreshed version of yourself in the mirror? Then turn on this video, follow these exercises with us daily, and make sure to take notes. Before we jump into the routine, it's essential to warm up your facial muscles. Either stand or sit comfortably while keeping your back straight. Begin by slowly singing different vowel sounds and hold each one for as long as you can. Singing I, O, E, and A works especially well. Continue until you feel warmth spreading across your entire face. You can pause the video now, complete this quick warm-up, and then resume when you're ready. Exercise number 8, lower lip lift. Let's start with something simple to gradually activate your facial muscles. Ready to begin? Sit down and gently tilt your head backward. Imagine you are trying to reach the ceiling with your lower lip. Extend your lower lip upward as far as possible and hold that position for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax briefly and repeat. Set your timer and begin. This movement helps define your cheekbones and jawline, giving your face a fresher, more sculpted look. Keep holding, just a few seconds more. And that's it for the lower lip lift. Great job! Let's move on. Exercise number 7, chin lift. Here's another lifting exercise targeting a different group of muscles. Cross your arms over your chest while standing upright. Slowly raise your chin upward as high as you comfortably can. Once you reach your limit, take a deep breath and count to 10. Gradually return to the starting position. Ready? Let's start. This exercise strengthens facial muscles and is particularly helpful for reducing the appearance of a double chin. It also enhances your jawline and gives your neck a more youthful appearance. You're almost done. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Exercise number 6, lips down pull. Now let's return to working with the lips. Keep your head straight throughout this exercise. Pull the corners of your lips downward, then relax back to the neutral position. You may notice slight tension in your facial muscles. That's completely normal and indicates the muscles are being activated. Let's begin. This simple yet effective movement helps maintain cheek elasticity and reduces the likelihood of sagging over time. Repeat a few more times, and done. Wonderful progress. Exercise number 5, writing in the air. This one is a bit unique and slightly more challenging, but it's excellent for engaging facial muscles. Sit upright and hold a pencil firmly between your lips. Without moving your head, try writing your name in the air using the pencil. It may sound easy, but keeping your head still is the real challenge. Take short breaks between repetitions. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve cheek elasticity and promotes more defined cheekbones. You're doing great. Just 4 exercises left. Exercise number 4, head tilt. Let's slow things down slightly with this next movement. Tilt your head toward your right shoulder, attempting to bring your ear close to your shoulder. Place your right hand against the right side of your head and gently apply pressure while resisting with your neck muscles. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Start the timer. This exercise strengthens your neck muscles and tones the area around your face, helping combat early signs of aging. Remember, consistency is key for visible results. And we're finished with head tilts. Exercise number 3, full of air. This exercise may sound amusing, but it's surprisingly effective. Take a deep breath and seal your lips tightly, filling your mouth with air. Place your hands on your cheeks so your fingers rest near your ears. Now gently press your cheeks inward while resisting the pressure using your facial muscles. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax and repeat. This movement targets both the upper and middle cheek areas, supporting elasticity and enhancing cheekbone definition. One final repetition, and done. Exercise number 2, chin pushing. Now we'll focus on the jaw and chin area to help naturally slim your face. Open your mouth slightly and tuck your lips over your teeth. Push your lower jaw forward and place your finger against your chin. Press gently with your finger while resisting the pressure using your facial muscles. Contract and relax repeatedly. Let's start. With regular practice, this exercise can lead to a more defined jawline and reduce the appearance of a double chin. You're almost there, great work. Exercise number 1, advanced chin push. Here comes the final and most challenging exercise of this routine. Remember, the more effort you invest, the better your results can be. Place both fists under your chin. Press your tongue firmly against the bottom of your mouth near your lower teeth. Now push upward with your fists while resisting with your tongue. Hold this position for 30 seconds, take a brief rest, and repeat if desired but avoid overexertion. Balance is important. This exercise strengthens your jaw and the muscles beneath your tongue, contributing to a firmer facial structure. And that completes our facial workout routine. Don't forget, one of the most powerful exercises for your face is simply smiling, and that's absolutely true. Smiling naturally lifts your facial structure and reduces cheek heaviness, while also making you look vibrant and attractive. Stay happy, because happiness truly enhances beauty. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, and keep shining.